cool. And he got me a present. Banana. That's all he got me. Banana, Santa, big daddy.
What did Santa bring you?
Big dog.
Really? He brought you a big dog?
No,
No?
No, then outside.
Oh, outside.
Yeah, then outside.
Oh, did Santa come in a sleigh over here?
Yeah, you said that he
How does he come in a sleigh? There's no snow here.
He said no.
Does he have a Range Rover or
No,
something?
he has a set and the reindeers fly.
Oh, it flies. Okay.
No, the reindeers help them fly.
Oh.
And why it flies.
Does he know when you move? Does he know when you move? Do you send in a change of address to him?
No, you know when you're naughty or nice.
Oh, he knows all that stuff. Oh, okay.
He knows if you're naughty or nice. When you're naughty, it's just going to give you walk for Christmas.
Oh.
If you're going to give you a choice for Christmas.
Oh, wow. Does he bring you any clothes? Have you lost any teeth yet? No, you haven't lost any teeth? Do you have a loose tooth yet?
No.
No? Ava lost a tooth.
Ava?
Yeah, she beat you. She lost a tooth.
No, I don't be 5.
Oh, you're going to be 5?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, wait.
I'm going to put the chair down.
He will
Put
be.
the chair down. No, we're going to be 6. No,
2
no,
years
I'm
from now,
but
you'll be 5.
6 in November. No,
Don't hit him. Don't hit him.
You're going to be 6 in November for. No.
Hey, I told you don't hit him.
Punching people in the nose
Sorry, Kyle.
could make them bleed.
That's
No,
3
Dad,
times.
he's fine.
I said, don't hit him. Don't hit him.
I don't be fine.
No, hit yourself in the
Yeah,
nose.
I don't be fine. Huh?
Kyle's.
I don't be fine.
All right, Kyle, you.
I don't be fine. I don't be fine. I don't be fine.
You don't even phase Kyle, eh?
I know.
I don't be fine.
They're used to girls, they'd be crying.
What did you do? Bite him this time?
Yeah.
You kissed him? You sure?
I sure.
You didn't want him kissing you? Oh, I don't blame you.
I just kissed his nose.
Oh, you just kissed his nose? He's like, he thought you was going to bite it.
Looked more like a headbutt to me.
But he don't like kisses because he thinks I don't bite him.
Oh, is that what it is? What's your favorite thing to do that we went and did? What was the best thing you liked the
Beat up his
most?
brother.
We came for cow floor or here?
Huh?
When you came for cow floor or here?
Here.
Okay. The good part was, I'll tell you when we get home for your brother's house because I want to show everything.
Okay.
Everything. Like,
That sounds reasonable.
so I'll show everything I would like.
Okay.
Everything I like and everything I don't like.
Okay, what did you don't like?
I don't like, I didn't like